Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Semrush to find competitors and product gaps, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in www.semrush.com and press enter. Once the Semrush homepage loads, locate the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the first field. In the second field, input your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link to initiate the recovery process. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. To find competitors, navigate to the Domain Analytics section on the left sidebar. Click on Organic Research to explore organic search data. In the search bar, enter the domain of your competitor and hit Enter. The overview of the domain will appear, showcasing traffic, keywords, and more. Scroll down to view the competitive positioning map, which highlights your competitor's performance. Next, to identify product gaps, navigate back to the Domain Analytics section. Click on Keyword Gap under the same menu. In the Keyword Gap tool, input your domain and the domains of your primary competitors. Click Compare to see the insights on keyword overlaps and missed opportunities. Review the resulting list of keywords to find those the competitors rank for, but your site does not. Consider filtering the results to focus on specific keyword metrics, such as search volume or difficulty level. Analyze the data to identify potential product gaps in your market. Take note of any valuable insights you can utilize to enhance your product offerings. Once you've gathered the necessary information, log out of your Semrush account to maintain security. Close the browser tab and proceed with your newfound research. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.